Power Minister A.T. Mondal informed that a feasibility study on the proposed setting up of pumped hydro storage projects (PHSPS) in 4 locations in Meghalaya is being conducted, and the reports on the feasibility of the projects are likely to be submitted to the state government by December. The PHSPS are being proposed in 4 locations, which include Dingsong in East Khazi Hills District, Leshka Lamu in East Janta Hills District, Leshka Amsherang in West Janta Hills District, and Umyam. The feasibility study is being conducted by the National Thermal Power Corporation (NTPC) in these 4 locations, and by December, the reports are likely to be submitted to the state government.
If we can actually come out this project, but we have our problems also, as I told you. The first problem is finance, because this will require huge finance. Many estates are after it, and they are going in a big way, because water discharge requirement reduces. So that way, if we can implement this pumped storage project, I told you only 4 project, it is 3,100 megawatt. We will be selling power outside of the state.
The 47th edition of the 100 Drums Wangala